New Year's resolutions for next fall's law school applicants. Whether you're watching this video before or after New Year's Day, it's the season for resolutions that you, as a law school applicant planning to apply this fall or possibly next, should absolutely keep. The law school application process is tough, and it really begins well before you register with LACC's Credential Assembly Service or start completing your applications. Start now by evaluating your strengths and weaknesses and work on ameliorating or eliminating those weaknesses so that you position yourself for law school acceptance in the fall. I have 7 items that you need to evaluate. Number 1, academics. If you haven't taken classes that require an analysis and writing, enroll in something that does require those activities. Obviously, get good grades. Show the schools what you're really capable of academically. Also, prepare for an ACE, LSAT, or GRE. Whichever one you take, it's important. If you choose to take the GRE, make sure that all the schools you are interested in accept it. 2, gain exposure to the law. While not required, law schools do like to see something that tells them you are basing your decision to pursue law school on experience, something real, as opposed to reruns of Perry Mason from the 1960s. And you should also want a solid basis for your decision. You can work in a law office or volunteer in a legal clinic. You may be active in politics and government or perhaps your pre-law society, but do invest in that experience. 3, community service. Schools want to know that you will contribute to their school's community, both as a student, as an alum. One way to show that you will do so is to do community service. Volunteering to help the underserved is particularly valued. 4, leadership experience is also valued. It can be in sports, college club, a service group, your pre-law society, or any number of arenas. 5, have you made time for hobbies or activities unrelated to law school admissions? In addition to making your life more enjoyable, these activities will make you a more interesting applicant. 6, get into the habit of journaling about your experiences. Jot down notes about your work, paid or unpaid, leadership initiatives, and what you've learned, or your hobbies for that matter. Again, the notes should focus on what you've learned, how you've contributed, how you felt, how you helped others. Those notes will prove invaluable when it comes time to writing your personal statement and addenda. And 7, learn about the different law school programs that you apply to schools that meet your needs, support your goals, and are likely to accept you based on your academic performance, interests, and experience. If you have most of the items on this list, you're in great shape. If you don't think you can complete this list in time for this cycle, no worries. You're better off waiting until you're really ready to apply successfully. Or you may need to adjust your list of target schools so that you are competitive. Whether you apply this cycle or the next one, check out the experienced law school admissions consultants at Accepted. Seasoned advisors, our staff has former law school application readers, lawyers, and advisors ready to advise you as you prepare for law school. Start getting yourself accepted today.